Take a ride in the 2017 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, fog lights, regenerative braking system, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.